Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I would like to show you guys how to prepare a healthy breakfast that is easy and convenient for students before going to class. The ingredients that will be used in this meal are affordable and provides nutrition for everyone, especially for the students. So, for your information, by 2030, we will end hunger and ensure access for all people, including students itself, in particular the poor and people in vulnerable situations, including infants, to save nutrition and sufficient food for all year around. Okay, so let's get started. So the breakfast meal, it was named Baocha, which is banana, oats and chocolate. So firstly, we need to put instant oats in the bowl, around 4 to 5 spoons. So it is according to you, so I put 5 spoons. And then this oat can improve our blood sugar control and also very filling treat that may help you lose weight, especially for the students. And then in the same bowl, we need to add 5 spoons of hot water. So after that, we need to stir well all together. And then put half of the milk. So as we know that milk is rich of calcium and it can make our bones strong. So and then stir all of them together. So as you can see, the result will be like this. So add whole grain into the bowl. So I'm gonna arrange the whole grain like this. It's okay, you can take your spoons or fork to get the whole grain on top of the oat. Okay, so we need to cut a few slices of banana and put it on top of the oat. So as we know, the banana is full of antioxidants and support digestive health. So it is good for our breakfast meals and good for our health. Okay, take the bar of chocolate and put it in the glass, and then we need to add a little bit of hot water, just a little bit, so that the chocolate will be melted. And then we need to wait for the chocolate to be melted. Okay, so we're gonna put this chocolate on top of the banana to get more flavorful, and this chocolate can make you feel more good and also lowers your blood pressure, and it also can improve your mood in the class. So lastly, we can put Cocoa Crunch on top of our oat to make it more crunchy. So the Cocoa Crunch is rich with iron and vitamin B, so it can make our body strong. The duration for these meals is only 3 minutes, and it is quite fast and quite easy for students to make their breakfast in the morning. So as you can see, this is the final result. Now happy ever after, it don't come so easily. So I'm gonna taste it. It is delicious. Okay, we can try it in our rooms, in our hostel. So that's all from us. Thank you.